Did you know that chicks that have all kinds of trash in their car will let you smash raw on the first date? Did you know that? Like if you go and you sit down in her car and you hear the sound of crinkling water bottles, and you look on the floor seats and it's nothing but receipts and fast food bags and loose change everywhere and Swisher Sweet guts on the floor, it's a very, very high chance that she's going to let you smash her on the first date. You know? I'm telling you what I know. And if there are any women that are offended by that, then I highly suggest that you clean out your motherfucking car. Or just call me. Just call me. You know, and we can take a good ride down these Los Angeles streets.